Hello, Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I was fitting the radiators for this car here. Two radiators I've fitted, brand new ones, but that's previous job I've done, and I recommend the customer to change the horn anyway because the horn on the car is very old. This one here is still the original horns and they're still working, but get it done now, otherwise they'll play up and you're gonna have to remove the front bar off again because you can't get to the bolts. Alright, front bar must be removed to do the horn. Anyway, so it's all fitted now. A little tip that I'll tell you guys: when you do that 10 mil nut up, not extra tight. When it's tight, just a little, maybe a quarter turn. That's enough. Or maybe just tight, a little bit tight, but not too tight, because otherwise the horn will sound funny. Especially when it doesn't have a washer nut like that. Especially when it's like that one there inside there. It's just a connector, just a bolt straight to the body. Alright, so it's very easy. If you do it too tight, the horn will sound funny. Just tight enough but not too tight. Alright, as you can see, that's the wiring harness now, all fitted to here. So that one there still fits. I only needed one wiring harness for this car here. As you can see, now it's all adapted to the factory. So that's a factory. The factory wiring harness comes from there all the way to here, and then the Porsche adapter harness goes from here to the new horn, because the new horn looks like that, mentioned in the previous videos. If you have that big plastic housing on top for the plug, it's nearly a rectangle like that, massive one, then you need the actual adapter plug. If you just have the one that looks like that, like I said to you before earlier on, looks like this. It looks like that from top. You don't need the adapter plug. Alright, let's try it out. Beautiful. Alright, that's all done. So now I can actually double check my radiators, do the bleeding of the radiator, and then filling it up properly. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.